If there's one thing I love, it is a really good tequila cocktail, and this one does not disappoint. It's called a Mexican firing squad, and these are the ingredients you're gonna need. Super simple to put together. You're gonna need a cocktail shaker, and what I always say is if you don't have a cocktail shaker, grab a mason jar out of your kitchen and use that instead. Fill it up with ice, and then you're gonna use either a reposado or a silver tequila. And something in the mid-range price point is perfect here. You're gonna add 2 ounces to the cocktail shaker. Then you're gonna go in with 3/4 of an ounce of grenadine syrup. This is your sweet. Now you're gonna do 2 to 4 dashes of Angostura bitters, which is gonna add a spicy warmth that's so good in this drink. And then fresh lime juice, always fresh lime juice with tequila. You're gonna add 3/4 of an ounce. Now it's time to shake it up. You wanna shake your cocktail for 20 to 30 seconds really vigorously. That will open up all the flavors and mix everything together. Now grab a rocks size glass, fill that sucker up all the way to the brim with ice, and then you're gonna strain the drink right over that ice. Now, one of my favorite parts of this drink is the garnish. You can use a lime wedge or wheel, but I love a brandied Luxardo cherry. I put a little bit extra of that syrup in there, which gives it a little more spicy warmth. You're gonna love this one. Cheers.